Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, joined by financial analyst Eli Sterling. We've got a packed session ahead, from geopolitical tensions to crypto market movements and a deep dive into technical analysis. Eli, let's start with what's moving markets globally.
Thanks, Maya. Two major headlines are dominating sentiment right now. First, the aftermath of the Bondi attack in Australia, where the attacker legally owned 6 firearms, has reignited debates over gun control and antisemitism concerns within the Jewish community. Calls for tighter regulations and increased awareness are growing.
Simultaneously, geopolitical developments continue to shape global markets. Reports suggest that the U.S. and Ukraine have agreed on about 90% of peace deal terms, including Article 5-like security guarantees. What does this mean for markets?
This is significant. These guarantees mirror NATO's Article 5 collective defense, but without formal membership or troop deployment. While it may provide some reassurance, major sticking points remain, particularly over territorial boundaries. Investors will be watching any progress or setbacks closely, especially in defense and energy sectors.
Turning to cryptocurrencies, we're seeing bearish conditions across the board. Let's take a look at Bitcoin's performance and what technical indicators are signaling. Can you walk us through the key levels here?
Absolutely. Bitcoin is currently trading around $87,600 and remains in a strong downtrend, with both 50-day and 200-day SMAs declining. The Stochastic Relative Strength Index is deep in oversold territory at 19.16, suggesting potential for a bounce. Though the moving average convergence-divergence shows bearish momentum still persisting. Importantly, volume has dropped significantly, indicating low conviction behind recent moves.
What about longer-term technical signals? Are there any Fibonacci or Ichimoku insights that traders should be paying attention to?
Yes, on the daily Ichimoku, Bitcoin remains below the cloud, with the Tenkan-sen under the Kijun-sen, confirming the bearish trend. As for Fibonacci, price is holding near the 38.2% retracement level, around $87,957, which could act as short-term support. A break below that might see sellers target the 61.8% level, closer to $90,500.
Let's shift gears to stocks. NVIDIA, one of the biggest drivers of market performance this year, is showing signs of weakness. Eli, how does the technical picture look here?
NVIDIA is indeed under pressure. Over the last few days, price has slipped from around $181 to $175, forming lower highs and lower lows, a classic downtrend pattern. Volume spiked during the initial drop, confirming selling pressure. There's no visible support until around $174.92, which, if broken, could lead to further downside.
And among altcoins, Sui and Avalanche are showing bearish patterns as well. Could you highlight what's driving these trends?
Certainly. Sui has been caught between the 38.2% and 50% Fibonacci retracement levels, consolidating between $1.49 and $1.55. However, the overall trend remains bearish, with the 50-day simple moving average acting as resistance. Avalanche is even more pressured. It's trading near its 0.00 Fibonacci level at $11.98, indicating a deep retracement. Both assets show weak momentum, with Relative Strength Index and Stochastic Relative Strength Index in oversold territory, but not yet signaling a reversal.
Before we wrap up, let's talk risk management. Given the current volatility and uncertainty in both crypto and equities, what should investors be doing now?
Caution is key. For crypto traders, position sizing should reflect Bitcoin's high average true range, around 3,200, which means wider stops are necessary. In equities, particularly growth names like NVIDIA, traders should watch key support levels and avoid aggressive long positions without clear confirmation. Diversification and defensive allocations can help weather near-term turbulence.
Thanks, Eli. To summarize, geopolitical risks are keeping markets on edge, Bitcoin shows signs of exhaustion, but no clear reversal yet. And equities like NVIDIA are slipping into bearish territory. Tomorrow, watch for continued volatility, especially around key Fibonacci and moving average levels. That's all for today's update. I'm Maya Keynes. See you next time.